Just beyond Earth lies a planet often called our sister world. Venus is nearly the same size as Earth and formed from similar materials. At first glance, it might seem like a promising place for human settlement, but appearances can be deceiving. Beneath its bright clouds lies one of the most hostile environments in the solar system, a world where survival is virtually impossible. This is the story of Venus. For thousands of years, Venus has fascinated humanity. It shines brightly in our skies as the morning star and evening star. Ancient civilizations observed it long before telescopes existed. When astronomers finally studied it in detail, they discovered a planet hidden beneath thick clouds. Those clouds concealed many secrets, and the truth proved far more terrifying than anyone imagined. Venus is often called Earth's twin. It is only slightly smaller than our planet. Its gravity is about 90% of Earth's. Both worlds formed around the same time, yet their destinies could not have been more different. Venus became a warning of what a planet can become when climate spirals out of control. The atmosphere of Venus is unlike anything on Earth. It is composed mostly of carbon dioxide. This creates an extremely powerful greenhouse effect. Heat becomes trapped and cannot escape into space. The atmosphere is also incredibly dense. Standing on Venus would feel like being deep beneath Earth's oceans. Many people assume Mercury is the hottest planet because it is closest to the Sun. In reality, Venus is even hotter. Surface temperatures average around 465 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough to melt lead. Day and night temperatures remain nearly identical. The heat never truly escapes. Scientists believe Venus may once have contained oceans, but over millions of years, increasing temperatures caused water to evaporate. Water vapor trapped even more heat. The warming accelerated uncontrollably. Eventually, the oceans disappeared completely. What remained was a runaway greenhouse world. The bright clouds covering Venus are not made of water. They consist, primarily, of sulfuric acid droplets. These clouds extend for many kilometers above the planet. Any exposed equipment would face extreme chemical corrosion. The atmosphere is both toxic and dangerous. Human survival here would require extraordinary protection. Pressure on Venus is one of its deadliest features. At the surface, atmospheric pressure is about 92 times greater than Earth's. It is equivalent to being nearly 1 kilometer underwater. Human bodies cannot survive such conditions. Even specially designed spacecraft struggle. The pressure alone makes Venus incredibly difficult to explore. Venus is covered with enormous volcanic features. Scientists have identified thousands of volcanoes across its surface. Some may still be active today. Massive lava plains stretch for vast distances. Volcanic activity likely shaped much of the planet's landscape and may continue to influence its atmosphere. Several robotic missions have attempted to land on Venus. The Soviet Venera spacecraft achieved some of the most successful landings, but even these remarkable machines survived only briefly. Extreme heat and pressure quickly destroyed them. No human-made machine has operated long on the surface. Venus remains one of exploration's greatest challenges. If you stood on Venus, the sky would appear orange and hazy. Thick clouds block much of the sunlight. The landscape would resemble a barren volcanic desert. Rock formations stretch across the horizon. The atmosphere distorts visibility. It would be an alien world unlike any place on Earth. The atmosphere contains almost no oxygen. Instead, carbon dioxide dominates the environment. Humans would require complete life support systems. Even a small equipment failure would be fatal. Breathing naturally is impossible. Venus offers no environment suitable for human biology. Venus rotates differently from most planets. It spins extremely slowly. One day on Venus lasts longer than its year. Even more unusual, it rotates backward. The sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. This strange motion continues to puzzle scientists. High above the clouds, powerful winds circle the planet. Some reach speeds greater than 300 kilometers per hour. These atmospheric currents move far faster than the planet rotates. Scientists call this phenomenon super-rotation. It remains one of Venus's greatest mysteries. The atmosphere behaves unlike any other in the solar system. Every major factor works against human survival. Extreme temperatures, crushing atmospheric pressure, toxic air, sulfuric acid clouds, lack of water. Venus combines nearly every environmental hazard imaginable into one world. Some scientists have proposed floating cities high in Venus's atmosphere. At certain altitudes, temperatures and pressures become more manageable. Large airships could theoretically remain suspended above the clouds. However, enormous engineering challenges remain. The idea is intriguing, but it remains firmly in the realm of future possibilities. Venus teaches an important lesson about climate. It demonstrates the dangers of uncontrolled greenhouse warming. By studying Venus, scientists gain insight into atmospheric processes. These discoveries improve climate models on Earth. The planet serves as a natural laboratory. Its history may help protect our own future. Several new missions are planned for Venus. Future spacecraft will study its atmosphere and geology in greater detail. Scientists hope to understand how the planet evolved. Advanced instruments may reveal hidden secrets beneath the clouds. The exploration of Venus is far from over. In many ways, it is only beginning. Despite its similarities to Earth, Venus became something entirely different. It transformed into a world of heat, pressure, and toxic clouds. No known environment on the surface can support human life. It remains both fascinating and terrifying, a planet that challenges our understanding of habitability and reminds us how fragile planetary environments can be. Venus is one of the most extraordinary worlds in the solar system, a planet similar to Earth in size, yet radically different in every other way. Its atmosphere, climate, and geology make permanent human settlement impossible with current technology. For now, Venus remains a place for robotic explorers rather than human colonists. Yet its mysteries continue to attract scientists from around the world. And as we search for life and habitable worlds beyond Earth, Venus reminds us that not every Earth-sized planet becomes a home.